People present all here. I request all the students to be seated. Today we are here to celebrate one of the most beautiful festival of India. Diwali, the festival of lights. The festival gets its name from the row of great lamps that millions light outside their homes to symbolize the inner light that protects us from spiritual darkness. Over to people.
Good morning everyone, a very warm welcome to all present over here. Embrace the tradition of lighting diyas and spreading the lights of knowledge. Now I am delighted to welcome our Vice Chairman, Mr. Adarsh Niknati sir to this occasion. We welcome you sir. I would like to welcome our respected AEM, Srimati Krishnavedi Madam to this occasion. We welcome you ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome our respected DRM Indappa sir. We welcome you, sir. Now, at last, I extend my heartfelt welcome to all the teachers and students to this occasion. Once again, I welcome you all.
Now, let us start our program with a tradition. Now, I would like to welcome our grade 4 students for prayer song.
All the dignitaries, respected teachers and my dear friends, today I would like to speak a few words about significance of Diwali. The festival of lights is just around the corner. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. It is a major Hindu festival marking the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after defeating Ravana. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. The first day of Deepavali is celebrated as Naraka Chaturdashi. This day celebrates Lord Krishna's victory over the demon Narakasura. In some parts of India, especially Gujarat, Hanuman Puja is performed. People wake up early in the morning, take a holy bath and light diyas and prepare sweets. The second day is celebrated as Lakshmi Pujas. In the evenings, when tiny diyas of clay are lit to drive away the shadows of evil spirits, families seek blessings from Goddess Lakshmi to ensure their prosperity, light diyas, candles and fireworks and visit temples. The third day is celebrated as Bali Padya. It is a Hindu festival that celebrates the return of Bali to earth and the victory of Vishnu over the Asuras. I am grateful and thankful for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali and Shubh Diwali.
And my dear students, Diwali is often called the Festival of Lights and is celebrated by lighting lamps and burning crackers and fireworks. It is a festival which commemorates the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after saving his wife Sita from demon king Ravana. Now our students are enacting the importance of Diwali days. Day 1. Day 1 of Diwali is celebrated as Naraka Chaturdashi, story of Lord Krishna defeating demon Narakasura. Introducing Narakasura has Daras, Lord Krishna has Vikrant, Satyabhama has Bhagyalakshmi, villages has Pretam, Pratam, Jivika, Lasya. The day 1 story begins. Villagers showcasing his power and cruelty. Villagers express their fear and despair arrival of Lord Krishna. Krishna and Satyabhama hears the villagers cry and they decided to help them. Krishna and Satyabhama comfort Narakasura, emphasizing the need for justice. The battle goes on between Krishna, Satyabhama and Narakasura. Krishna and Satyabhama both defeated Narakasura, symbolizing triumph of good over evil. Villagers celebrated Krishna's victory with joy, lightning lamps to signify the return of their newfound freedom. Day 2. Diyas, which signifies wealth, prosperity and worship of Lord Dhanvantri and Goddesses Lakshmi. The Lord Dhanvantri, the god of health and medicine, who emerged during the Samudra Mantana of the ocean and said to worship Goddesses Lakshmi. The people started worshipping Goddesses Lakshmi with the flowers and diyas. They performed a simple puja, offering prayers for health, wealth and prosperity. May the spirit of Diwali fill our hearts with happiness and our homes with light. Shubh Deepavali. Day 3. Diwali is celebrated as Bali Pratipadya, the day when King Bali returned to visit his people. Let's dive into the story of his devotion and humanity. Introducing Mithun as King Bali, Sudanva as Vamana, villagers as Pritam, Pratham, Jivika, Lasya. The day's 3 begin. Villager 1. I cannot believe King Bali is coming back. Villager 2. He was such a kind ruler. I hope he remembered us. Now the king has arrived with waving hands. Namaste everyone. I have returned to see how you all are doing. Villagers rushes to him, expressing joy. Now there is arrival of Vamana. Vamana, O great King Bali, I seek a humble gift from you as a 3 piece of land. Bali, you can have as much as land as you wish. Vamana smiles and suddenly grows larger. Vamana begins to grow and cover the stage in 3 large steps representing the universe. With each step, Vamana covered the heaven and the earth, leaving Bali with nowhere to stand. Bali, you have oversmarted me, O Vamana, but I accept my fate with humanity. Vamana, your devotion has been noted, King Bali. I grant you the right to return to your people once a year. King Bali's story teaches us the importance of humanity, generosity and love for our people. Let us celebrate these values today and always. By this, we conclude our skit, wishing you all a very happy, prosperous Diwali to each and everyone. Thank you all and all.
About awareness of crackers.
To all present over here. Now, I would like to speak about awareness of burning crackers. Let's make Diwali eco-friendly by choosing to light diyas, create rangolis, and spend quality time with loved ones. This year, let's make a conscious effort to celebrate a sparkling Diwali while being kind to our planet. By choosing to celebrate Diwali without firecrackers, families can significantly reduce air pollution. Families that adopt eco-friendly practices during Diwali can inspire friends and neighbors to do the same. A sparkling Diwali. Shine bright with eco-friendly celebrations. Welcome, young champions of cleaner and greener planet as we gear up for Diwali 2024. The Festival of Lights. There is a magical twist we were about to explore. Celebrating
the demon, and that victory is also celebrated in some of the places in Ayodhya. As well as our students have shown Narakasura Vadha, that also a demon has been killed on that day and the victory has been good over evil. By this I want to say that whatever the good we do, it comes back to us. So stop all the evil things, because with this festival we will think as a students or that every person we think whatever the bad things we do, we will be great or we will be flourished. But one thing we have to remember, in the permanent way of the life, the good only will succeed in the life. You got the example, I think so. Our students have showed you in the dramatically also. Hope so all will follow the good things in your life and follow, and may this Diwali bring all of you a good mindset and come back with a victory of good over evil. And my kind suggestion, as one of our students said, please celebrate eco-friendly Deepavali. Because if you are safe, your parents are safe, right? So when Deepavali is only a children festival, they enjoy to burn the crackers. But we have to be safe. While you are burning the crackers, you have to be utmost important, and your elders should be along with you. Right? Don't take any head-on decisions without the parents. Don't lit the crackers. Be safe and come back school on November 3rd or 4th. For hostelers, 3rd. It's a compulsory, right? And for day scholar, it is a November 4th. We have to attend the school very compulsory. That's a working day, right? Happy Diwali once again to everyone who are present here.